How do you stay motivated in quarantine? So why do I think people are not motivated during this time of quarantine? It's really simple. Pick up your phone, go on Instagram, look at like 10 stories. Every single one is in bed, it's posting memes, it's watching Netflix, it's getting bored, they're posting how bored they are, and they're literally not doing anything about it apart from just like wearing the same clothes, just complaining and getting bored. So here's my 5 tips on how to stay motivated in quarantine. So my first point, I'm actually not gonna do this. My first point is get the blood flowing. Doesn't matter if when you wake up, if after lunch, before dinner. I do it before dinner because I honestly like it. I don't like to work out in the morning. Basically, just get your blood flowing, even if you have to stay inside. Like I'm in isolation for 14 days, so I can't leave my apartment. I literally at least 10-15 minutes every day I work out, watch a YouTube video, follow the workout, sweat, and make your blood flowing, because that will keep your mind occupied. You're gonna feel better, and then straight after that, obviously shower. And my favorite thing is change. Every single day, no matter what, I change my clothes like it's another day, like I'm going out. Sometimes I wear jeans, sometimes I wear a t-shirt, sometimes a hoodie, doesn't matter. I make sure to change my clothes because that does something in your mind, keeps it focused and keeps it going. You know, it feels like just another day. Point 2 that I really like is scheduling your day. I usually do that the day before. So every single night before I go to bed, I literally go into my Google Calendar and I just put down a schedule, like with breakfast, lunch, dinner, what I'm gonna shoot, what I'm gonna edit, what I'm gonna do, and follow your schedule so it looks like a normal day. And try and keep a routine. Always wake up at the same time, always go to bed at the same time, like this. This is my routine right now. There we go. So as you can see, I keep a really detailed routine. I have like a breakfast, I have shoot TikTok, shoot YouTube, edit YouTube and stuff like that, and workout. I make sure everything is always on my schedule. Okay, this is a really interesting one. Point number 3 is imagine your apartment, your home, whatever you are living, into spaces, divided into spaces. So for example, my bedroom over there, it's a bedroom, I only sleep on it. I don't watch movies in it. I literally only go to my bedroom to sleep, get change, sleep. Then behind me, over there's a table, the only table in the house, the only table in the apartment. When I'm sitting on the table, I'm either eating or working. If I'm watching a movie, if I'm watching a YouTube video, anything which is not working or eating, I do it here on the couch. So my mind knows when I'm on the couch, I'm literally relaxing or entertaining, watching a movie, watching YouTube, not working. When I'm on the table, my mind is like, oh, he's on the table, work. And number 4, my knees always. Number 4, get creative with what you have. I'm literally making videos every single day about a plan of basil that I got. I'm making videos about coffee. I'm making videos about a creepy horror movie about this place. Literally, just get creative with what you have. Write down ideas. Do everything you can do with everything you have into this house. I know it's hard. I know it might be for a month, it might be for 2 months, it might be for a week. It doesn't matter. Try and get creative. Don't just like lay in bed and do nothing and watch Netflix the whole day, because that just freaks out your mind. Last but not least, remember to eat healthy, because you are what you eat. And I'm vegan, so I'm not telling you should go vegan, but avocado, healthy fats. It's really good for you. Makes your mind feel good, your body feels good, and just try not to eat junk food, you know? While you're home, try and cook, learn to cook. I love it. Also a bonus tip, just in case you don't know what to do, you've done everything, and you still have time, just try new things. Simple as that, try new things. I've been trying myself. I've been like listening to more podcasts. I've been reading a book. I don't really read books usually. I like to listen more than reading. I've been making one video every day on YouTube that I haven't done in ages. I've been trying new kind of photography, like product photography, for example, to make some extra money on the side. I've been flipping on eBay. That is like massive. So try like listen to Gary Vee and flip on eBay because that it works. And don't get stuck on social media. Don't get stuck on news websites. I personally check social media only like 3 or 4 times a day, and I check media news once a day. Usually when I wake up, I check the news, or before I go to bed, one or the other. Check the news and I'm like, oh, okay, this happened today. This is how bad it's going, and it's okay. It's gonna be okay. We'll through this together. Stay strong. Keep creating. That's it. That's all I can say. Subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you guys probably tomorrow. I have so many ideas. So many ideas. So many ideas. See you tomorrow.